and why this change about. Okay.
Oh.
So initial story is this one, 35271. Okay.
Uh-huh.
At that time, what we implemented was this logic. And what is this is saying is this prescription record. So there is an object in the system called prescription,
Uh-huh.
and that prescription is related to the patient or customer or account.
Okay.
Okay. And in that for that each account or each customer we have multiple prescriptions, out of which only one will be primary prescription. There's a field called primary, it will be marked as true.
Okay.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
so and this prescription is, imagine it as a prescription from the doctor, right? Like how many pods a patient needs,
Okay.
and we means insulate fulfills that prescription by creating the opportunities and shipping those opportunities and orders. Okay,
Uh-huh.
so what is happening today? I mean, what we are trying to achieve here is whenever the agent opens a customer record, he wants to see whether this customer is pending any prescriptions to be sent, right? What are the remaining prescriptions for this customer? Okay, agent want to know that information on the patient card.
Uh-huh.
And how are we calculating that remaining prescription is, so we are going to that customer record on which agent is viewing. On that customer record, we are finding what is the primary prescription for that customer, and we are figuring out what is the product type. And each prescription will have another object, another child object called prescription product, where actually we link a product to that prescription. Okay.
Uh-huh.
And now what we are doing here is for this primary prescription, how many products that are product type equal to pod is prescribed. Okay.
Uh-huh.
And we are trying to fetch the product code for that from that prescription products. From the prescription products, we are finding the product where product type equal to pod, and we've took that product code. Okay.
Okay.
And And now what we are doing, we are also querying the related opportunities for that customer. Oh, no, not for that customer, for that primary prescription. For that primary prescription, we have a child opportunities linked to it. So we are querying all the linked all the opportunities linked to that primary prescription, where the opportunity stage is this or this. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So from all those opportunities, we are querying the opportunity products where product code is matching this product code.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And we are getting the sum of the quantity. And here also we got the total quantity. And here we are subtracting this quantity already sent from the total quantity and figuring out the prescription remaining.
Okay. Okay.
Clear so far?
Uh-huh.
Okay, but there is a small glitch in this requirement. The glitch is today, when you say product code here, right?
Uh-huh.
Today, today this is the product code, but tomorrow the product code can change where product type equal to pod, right?
Okay.
So when we are dependent on the product code, our calculation is not happening properly. So what we are proposing now is keep the same logic. I mean, update the logic, slightly update the logic. In the logic that we are going to update, what we are not saying is, okay, capture product type equal to pod and the quantity. Don't take the product code, just product type equal to pod. Okay, ignore
Uh-huh.
the product code.
Okay.
And now on the related opportunities also, query the product type equal to pod, not the product code.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, now that you understood, let me just take you to the code as well. So, from the code perspective, patient card.html, this prescription remaining, we will ask you to hide, but now we are not hiding. We'll keep it as is. Only thing what we are going to do is this prescription remaining logic here. Prescription remaining,
Downward.
right
This
here.
is the logic we are using.
Yeah. Yeah. So we'll keep this logic as is. So here result dot prescription remaining. So what is the result? Result is from here. Get account details. Get account details. So let's me go to get account details. Okay, controller. Controller dot get account details. Okay, service dot get account details. Now on the service, what we are doing here is prescription remaining equal to calculate prescription remaining. So how are we calculating this? In the calculate prescription remaining, first we are getting the prescriptions related to that account. Account record dot prescription underscore 0 dot id. Okay. And this account record dot prescription, first when you are calling this, you are passing the account record, isn't it? And this account record is coming from accounts selector. And if you go to accounts selector, accounts selector dot select account with this. So in this, if you see, when I'm querying from the prescription, I'm saying primary prescription equal to true, right? So I am only querying the primary prescription. So I get the primary prescription here. And in this primary prescription, what I am now doing is I am querying the prescription products from that primary prescription. Okay, prescription products. In this prescription products, so in order to get this prescription products here, prescription product selector. In the prescription product selector, what we are doing is select by prescription ID and product type. And here you are sending product type equal to pod. Okay, product type equal to pod. And what we are getting here, we are getting all the prescription products where prescription equal to primary prescription and product type equal to product type. And we are not putting any filter here,
Filter over
which
here.
is good. Yeah, which is good, and we want this, right? Only product type equal to pod. Okay, no change in this logic. So what we are getting here, we have got the, now we are got this product pod products, and now we are iterating to this pod products and capturing the total quantity. Okay, and we don't need this now because we don't need product codes.
Okay.
Okay, so what we, for us, the total quantity is coming from the, okay, total quantity is fine. Where product type equal to pod, that is what we want. We don't need this. We don't need to capture the product codes now. So this is also not needed. So you'll have to remove that product codes logic. And then what we are doing, opportunity line item selector. Now we are querying the opportunities corresponding to that prescription ID. So what we are doing is OLI selector dot OLI selector. OLI selector is this one, opportunity line item selector. So going to opportunity line item selector. In opportunity line item selector, what we are doing is going to this method, sum quantity. So in this method, what we are sending the primary prescription ID and product codes and stage names. Now we shouldn't send product codes, right? Instead, we should send the product type as pod. And now here your filter will change to and product type equal to pod. That's it. And then you will have to return the aggregate quantity.
Okay.
Clear?
No,
Any questions?
like what about Germany? Like he said, no, like we
No,
have to.
no, forget about Germany. Only Germany will have prescriptions. So for us,
Yes, yeah.
country is not a problem here.
Okay.
Whichever country has prescription, we are doing this logic. So you don't need to think about country logic.
Okay, okay, got it. Like I have to change only this from product type to this logic, right?
Yeah.
Product code. Okay.
So yeah. So do the unit testing. How do you do the unit testing is, how do you do unit testing is in your dev config org, right? Like wherever you are developing this in your dev org.
Yeah, dev.
Yeah. Whichever dev org you are doing it, ideally it should be your dev dev Saurabh. I don't know if you have that.
Dev config. I have.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, that's fine. But okay, let me first tell you how do you unit test it.
Okay.
I'm showing it in QA. Maybe you can do the same in dev config.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me see if you have any prescription record. Okay, prescriptions. All. I don't know whether it is primary prescription. Let's assume this is a primary prescription. Yeah, this is a primary prescription. Okay. So this is a primary prescription. And this has got opportunities, and this also got prescription products. From these prescription products, what we are doing is we are querying the prescription product where product, it has one more lookup, product type equal to pod. Okay. So every prescription will have a prescription product, every prescription will have a product, and product will have the product type on it. Okay. From prescription's perspective, you are not going to change anything. All that you are doing is you are capturing this 110.
The quantity we have to check.
Yeah, that you need not change because we just checked there is no product code filter on this one. Okay. But from the opportunities perspective here, so for example, this is the linked opportunity. So what you have to do is for this primary prescription, query all the related opportunities where query all the related opportunities in the sense related opportunity line items where product, this got a product and product will have a product type. So where product type equal to pod. So once you collect all those all those opportunity line items related to this primary prescription having product type equal to pod, then you aggregate their quantity and subtract it from the primary prescription's quantity.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
In order to test it, what you can do is you can have multiple, let's say you have this opportunity and have multiple products on it. Okay, multiple products on it, but you can change the product code of this product to pod in your dev org. Okay, have more than one product that is having product type pod in that for that list and see it is properly calculating or not.
Okay.
You see what I mean?
Yeah, got it. Got it.
Yeah, you can have multiple opportunities. Multiple opportunities can have multiple OLIs or opportunity line items, and each of them can have multiple pods within it. But it should aggregate and subtract it from the primary prescription. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you for.
Yeah, so that is related to this, and when you are unit testing, test it properly and then give it to, and also in terms of whenever you made these code changes, first thing you have to do is you have to create a PR in DX repo by taking from the code from the QA branch. Once the PR is approved, you will deploy it to dev prog from dev config, right? And then from dev prog to QA.
Yeah.
Okay, only after PR approved and merged. Then only you will do the change in dev prog.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, I will do that.
Got it?
Mhm.
Cool. Any questions?
No. If I do have any question, I will ping you.
No.
I will start working on
Yeah.
this logic.
Cool.
Okay, thank you, Sunil. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
No problem. Bye.
Bye.